If you have a physical store or location, having a Google business profile is essential. It's a free tool that allows you to be discovered by anyone who tries to find you in Google's search engine. You may be familiar with the Google business profile, which appears when searching for somewhere to eat or buy from on Google Maps and Google Search. It allows you to provide details and photos of your business, including your location, services, opening hours, and products. The business profile also gives customers a place to leave reviews, which can help boost your visibility and legitimacy. Here is the step-by-step process to setting up a Google business profile. First, sign in to your Google account or create one using your business email domain. Go to Create a Profile and enter the name of your business. If you get a message that someone else has already verified the business, request ownership of the business profile. Next, search for your business category and choose whether you have a location customers can visit. Then, enter your business address and the service area of your business. You can set up your service area based on the cities, postal codes, or other areas that you serve. As a general rule, it's a good idea not to extend the boundaries of your overall area farther than a 2-hour drive from where your business is based. Next, enter a phone number and website URL. Google recommends adding the individual phone number for each location rather than a remote call center. Review that your information is correct, then at the top, find the red banner and click Verify Now. You can also click Verify Later. A few things to consider when setting up your profile is: ensure you use keywords in your descriptions that are relevant to your business. Note that keywords about your location are especially important. Customize your profile as much as possible, including your business hours and images of your products. Ensure you use images and logos consistently with your brand, both on your business profile, website, and social platforms. And update your profile if your business hours change, especially during public holidays. If you run a restaurant, it's a good idea to include images of your food, location, and interior. If you run accommodation, ensure you post photos of the rooms, facilities, and outdoor areas and views. Hotels can display class ratings, sustainability practices, highlights, check-in and out times, and amenities. The business profile also allows you to gain insights into your audience, so make sure to maximize this as a marketing tool. Once you have completed the above steps, Google will verify your business and you can start attracting new customers.